from Nigeria, Kenya, Rwanda, India. What part of the world are you watching me from? All right, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section, guys. Hello, are you ready? Let me know if you're ready in the comment section. Let me know if you're ready in the comment section. Because today we will be looking at something great, something interesting, something exciting in today's market analysis and trade. Okay, yeah, I can see Abiodun from Nigeria. Okay, Bran from South Africa. All right, so very ready. All right, so let's pop into today's live trading session. And what are we looking at today is, aside from the regular currencies, we want to analyze the Bitcoin. All right, we want to analyze the Bitcoin. So great. So today we'll start our analysis with Bitcoin, and of course it's something you can, for those who have been trading Bitcoin on Octa FX platform, you would know that the option is there. It's an interesting asset class to also focus on or add to your portfolio. Okay, so great. I can see a lot of you saying you're ready. Let's dive straight into today's session. All right, so now here we, like I said, in my usual sessions, I start with, first, before you start analyzing the market, you want to ask yourself, what is the current market structure using the higher time frame? We would start from the higher time frame and then go down to the lower time frame, because the higher time frame gives you a broader perspective, right? The higher time frame gives you a broader perspective, while the lower time frame gives you a clearer perspective, right? The more you go to the lower time frame, the clearer you see what is currently happening in the market. All right, the more you see what is currently happening in the market when you go down from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. The higher time frame brings a broader view, the lower time frames brings a clearer view. You are able to see what is currently ongoing within those time frames. All right, so today we're diving straight into the live trading session of the Bitcoin, starting with the monthly time frame. All right, we want to ask ourselves, what is the current market structure? Okay, now, so interestingly for us, we can see that the current market structure in BTC is a downtrend, because the market has been going down for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 months. The market has been going downward. All right, so let's map out the key areas of support and resistance levels. All right, key areas of support and resistance levels. So if you can see here, this area here is a key area of support and resistance level. This level, which is 13k 13, okay, the 14K region, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the 14K region is a very strong support level. All right, while the 61K region is a very strong resistance level. So to be able to identify these levels clearly, all right, to be able to identify these levels clearly, okay, we would need to map out the above as well. All right, good. So we need to map out the let's change the chart to a line chart, because with a line chart it gives us a what is it called, a very realistic view of what is currently ongoing in the market. All right, good. So let's go to the line chart now. Now this is the line chart. It's a clearer view here. Okay, it's a clearer view here. Let me see your comments, guys. Yeah, it's a clearer view. Okay, and we are able to map this out using the line chart that we have to identify those contours. Okay, we are able to identify those contours, those key areas. Okay, now having identified these key areas, what do we do next? We've mapped out the resistance level, okay, and we've mapped out the support level. Having done this, now let's also map out the minor support and resistance levels within those key areas. Okay, this is a minor support level turned resistance. Okay, a minor, a minor resistance level, right? Then here as well is also a minor support level. Okay, now having factored this in, let's get back to the count. I want to believe that you all are following me, right? Are you guys following? Let me know if you are following in the comment section. Let me know if you are following in the comment section. Let me know if you are following in the comment section. Good. So now you can see we have been able to map out the key resistance level. Let me identify it here as key resistance level. Okay, and here as some key support level. Okay, key resistance, key support level, which means these are very important levels to watch. And you can see that price has broken through this first level here. Let me use okay, this level here. Okay, price has broken through this level. All right. Also, price did the same thing here. Good. Price did the same thing here. Okay, so watch the way price broke out of this level downward to this place, down to this place, and you can see how price was consolidating in this level. Now let me zoom it in so that we can have a more better explanation. So we can see here that good. Price started a movement here, all right, and went up, okay, then came down to this level, then rallied up and down, then finally came here, rallied again, then finally broke up, came to this level, came down, came here, broke out of this support level here, went down, and was consolidating in this region and later start going down. So it came to this region. This region was a very key level to watch, but what happened, we had a breakout candle here. Look at it. This is a breakout candle. All right, now this breakout candle now has now closed, okay, below this previously existing resistance level. All right, now after this breakout candle, all right, there are two things price can do from this region. There are two things price can do from this region. It's either there is a pullback, all right, and then a continuous fall in price, or there would be a continuous fall in price, okay, before there can be a little pullback and a fall in price further. All right, now because the Bitcoin price is at a very sensitive level now. The Bitcoin price is at a very sensitive level, and I'm going to explain why I said it's at a very sensitive level that everybody needs to watch. All right, so okay, good. Now, so you see what happened here is very important that we watch after this place. Now, this candle has broke out from this 30k region, because this 30k region is a key level of support. This 30k region, the expectation prior to this time, prior to this breakout, is that as price gets to this 30k region, which is here, as price gets here, there might be a rebounce, right, and we get back to the 60k region and onward like that. But surprisingly, with the combination of the macroeconomic environment effect on the Bitcoin market, what happened? Okay, what happened? We saw a continuous fall in price. We saw a continuous fall in price. All right, and this continuous fall in price, now we saw that the market broke out of that key level. That key level that analysts and traders and investors were watching is the 30k region. All right, the 30K region was a level that they were watching. Okay, and because they were watching this level, now price has finally broken out of that key support level, and we saw that price has dragged down to the 20K region. All right, now from the look of things, there is a high probability that since we now have a breakout of the 30K region and the candle has closed below, previously below the last 12 months. Let's count these candles that are above it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, 18. So look at this place. Now look at this from here. Look at where price was. All right, this region was where price was. Okay, look at the price footprint had touched this place, but now look at where the price came to close. This is very significant. We cannot just see the price of Bitcoin jump straight back to 30K all of a sudden, right? Except it wants to retest that region and continue falling. That is it. Except it wants to retest that region and continue falling. So what do we expect here? We expect that price might, reverse a bit to like 60% of the fully bodied candle and proceed to fall further. And it would come and consolidate at this 15 to 14K region. 15 to 14K region. All right, it will come and it will consolidate there before there would now be another move, either a breakout of this level or a continuous rise. All right, so that is, so now let's take it further to the lower time frame and have a more clearer view of what to look out for in the Bitcoin analysis. Okay, pardon me, let me clear off this chart so it doesn't look messy. Okay. All right, so let's go to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame. If someone is asking, I should explain what is a pullback. Okay, good. Now, look at this. This is something interesting to look at on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame intending to mean that every candle in this weekly time frame is formed in 1 week. So it took 1 week to form one candle. In a monthly time frame, it took 1 month to form one candle. All right, great. So when we talk about a pullback now, a pullback has to do with the reversal in price. All right, reversal in price after a breakout. So when there is a breakout, there is a higher likelihood of a pullback. All right, a pullback is just to test the region that the breakout took place to know if that region is still solid enough to sustain the resistance, all right, or to sustain the support. If the region is solid enough, then the pullback would not hold, right, would not be sustained. So what will happen when there is a pullback like that? Let me use an example here. So if you look at this place now, we had a breakout of this region here, all right, or this 30K region. There was a breakout. Now if after this breakout that occurred here, we now have a pullback like this. So when price goes back either to or closer to the region it broke out from, that is a pullback. A pullback can now give you a signal to some traders is an opportunity to buy. Or it's an opportunity to sell, because this level that it broke out from might still be very strong. So hence the price might be rejected and further fall in price would be seen, right? So that's it. So further fall in price would be seen. Okay, that's how a pullback works. All right, that's how a pullback works. So here now in this BTC analysis now that we are doing here, now we have that we know that the price has broken through the 30K region. Okay, number one, when you look at the chart closely, you will discover that price consolidated in this region. Let me pull let me change the color. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. Let me see if I can make it something. Okay, can you see that now? So you see price moved in this box, right? It's consolidated within this box, okay, before breaking out. So observe that the region that breakout took place is this region. Okay, all right, observe that the breakout took place at this region. Can you see that? Now the breakout took place at this region, okay, and price continued to fall. There are two things that can happen here. And we can just watch out for them. Yeah. Okay. It's either price reverses, pulls back to this level, okay, before reverting back to this level, or price continues to fall and touches this level, okay, consolidates and decide either upward or we just fall further. All right, so this is what we have here now. However, the best time to short this market, okay, is when a pullback is observed. When a pullback occurs at this region or at this region, then you can short the market. All right, because why we are doing this is we are trading to look out for market opportunities, not to jump on every trade. All right, we are looking out for what? For market opportunities. And when this market opportunity shows up, what do? We gun it down. We go for it. All right, we go for it. And that is why we are taking our time to what? To analyze this market. Okay? Now, someone is asking, how can we get you in even in 2 weeks? Like, okay. So we can see that we either have to wait for a pullback, all right, either to this level or to this level, and then short the market, okay, or we wait. We can't just short the market from this level, all right, because of course the market is already on a continuous fall. Okay, it won't be very profitable because this level is a very sensitive level now, except you want to scalp. All right, however, there might still be a market opportunity here. So let's go down to the lower time frame to see more of what is being said here. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame. See if some market opportunities are showing up here. Good. So you look closely. This is daily time frame. Daily what? Daily time frame. So we might see some other great opportunities showing up in the daily time frame. All right. Now look at what happened here. Yeah. Look at what happened here. And look at what is happening here. Okay? Now let's zoom in. Good. Now when you look closely, you will discover that price consolidated for days before it finally broke out. And when it broke out, there was a massive downpour. And currently, look at what price is doing. It's still consolidating at this region. All right. Now, what we can do here is to wait for a breakout of this box. Now, a breakout of this box can create a short-term opportunity to lock in on some profits. All right, for scalpers too, they can see some short-term opportunities here. Okay, so we see that a bullish footprint has been created here, and the current candle currently forming is also giving some bullish formations. All right, however, we can't conclude if this will end bullish or not. All right, so that will take us to lower time frame. Don't forget, I said that the lower the time frame, the clearer it is. The more you see what is actually going on recently in the lower time frame. So when you look at this now, good. So you can see this. So within this box now, if you want to take in on some opportunities, all right, you map out some support and resistance levels within this box. Let's do that very quick. And this one resistance level here, turn support, okay. Another one here, all right. Another minor one here, okay. Good. Now closer. Can you see this now? Now you can see this bullish engulfing candle that occurred here. This is the 4 hours chart, guys. This is 4 hours chart. Okay. See some bullish momentum coming in. You can see that this bullish candle now closed above the previous 3 to 4 candles. You see this, look at this candle here, one. This one closed below here. This one closed here. This one closed here. But look at this green candle came up and closed above all of them. That's some indication. That's some indication of some bullish momentum. It might not be a the momentum might not last long, okay, but for the short period of time that this momentum can exist, you can lock in on it. You can lock in on that opportunity. You can lock in on the trade. You can take in some opportunities here. So it is safe to say you wait for this candle, this one here. Let me use this. You wait for this candle, okay, this current candle here, to close, because you want to see where the candle will close. This candle, for you to buy, this candle must close above the previous previous high. All right. If this candle close above the previous high, then you can buy. So when you buy, we would say, if you are buying this trade now, okay, we would do something real quick. Our stop loss would be here. Don't forget, on this 4 hours time frame now, we want to lock in on what is it called, short-term opportunities. Our stop loss would be at 20. Yeah, our stop loss would be at 20k. Let me. I'm trying to type it for us so that we can see it clearly. Okay, 20k. All right, and our take profit would be at good. Our take profit would be here. Okay, so our stop loss is here. Our take profit is here. Okay, our stop loss is here and our take profit is here. All right, now this would help us to manage our risk. Okay, Yes. So you can also put, you can put anything to make yourself be in a buy position. All right. Yeah. For what I see a buy opportunity in the short run if there's a condition this current trade closes above this. If this trade reverses down and closes below this line here, then our buy confirmation is not yet authentic. Our buy confirmation is authentic if this candlestick closes above this. It closes above this, then we are good for a bullish momentum. All right. Either take profit or you are stopped out of the market. Either of the two. Okay. Good. Any questions shortly before we proceed? Yeah, someone, Barnabas said, thanks for your good explanation. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. That's why we're here. Okay. Who else is asking a question? Someone says, what is breakout? What is a breakout? Okay, good. So let me look at this. Look at this candle here. This is a breakout candle. Let me bolden it for you. This candle is a breakout candle. All right. A breakout candle is the candle that occurs after price has been moving in a consolidated manner, in a range, okay, without no direction. So if you look closely at this chart here, right, it has been consolidating. As you can see, it has been consolidating. Okay, it is at this point that a direction was determined, because when it was moving around in this place, no specific direction was determined. But a breakout is to determine the direction of the market after consistently ranging, in between a particular price. Okay, after it's been constantly ranging, a breakout is that thing that must occur to give direction to the market. Okay, someone is asking, why are we buying here? Why are we buying here? Can someone in the comment section tell us why we are buying here? Because I've explained, some of the things to watch out for, and then know if you are buying or if you are not. All right. So someone in the comment section to tell us, why are we buying? Why are we buying? Why are we buying? Why are we buying? All right. I'm waiting for someone in the comment section to explain to us why we are buying. Great. I see a lot of persons paying so much attention here. Okay. Sini said, because the bullish engulfing has occurred. Good. One, we have a bullish engulfing candle. So the next person in wisdom said, we aren't unless we get a confirmation at the close of the next candle. Brilliant. So now that is it. The first person said a bullish engulfing candle has occurred. The second person said the bullish engulfing candle is a signal, okay, but not enough signal. We need 2 to 3 confirmations, right? The next confirmation must be that the next candle must close above the engulfing candle to give us what? A trigger to say, okay, you know what? We are gunning this thing on the bullish direction. All right, great. Someone said because it is above our trend line. Excellent. So because I said price must close above this trend line. When it closes above this trend line, it means it has closed above the bullish engulfing candle's high price. Okay. Yes. Brilliant response. Shows we are all paying attention. All right. Great stuff. Great stuff, guys. Great stuff. Okay. Samuel, so thank you. All right. I'm glad you're getting value. Yeah, you know, you will always have the video on our YouTube page. You know, when we are done with the session, it will be on our YouTube page. Okay, so we are buying if the candle closes above the current resistance level. Excellent, Suleiman. Excellent. Yeah. Good. Okay. Good. We are buying because the candle is gaining momentum, and we have confirmation that is the price above our. Okay. Good. Excellent. So I'm very glad that you guys are following. So our target price, I've even written it there for you so that you can see our target price, our take profit level is 21,404, and our stop loss level is $20,000. All right. Number one, always have it at the back of your mind. No analysis is 100%. You only win when you have it at the back of your mind that there's a possibility of losing and you are ready for it. All right. When you have it at the back of your mind that it's a two-edged sword, all right, but you are positioned for a likelihood of profit, you would make profit. But when you are positioned for a likelihood of loss, you would lose, but you would lose what you are comfortable to losing. All right, and not what will hurt you or hurt your account. That is risk management. All right. So trading, let me give you this tip. Trading is not about how much you make. Trading is about how long you last in business. How long you last in business. Your ability to last in business shows that you are making profit. So sustainability, all right, on the long run is very important than profitability in the short run, because short-term reward does not guarantee future performance. Put it in your left hand. Short-term reward does not guarantee future performance. Okay. Great. If you have any question, do let me know, guys. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. In the comment section. Okay. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Someone is asking. Okay, because good. So we would now have to wait to see what happens here. All right. Now let's do some little analysis on the USD CHF before we call it a day. All right. USD CHF. So a quick one. There is no right time to trade. All right. There is no best time to trade. Okay. However, there are times that trading can get you more profit if you are looking to trade, if you are an intraday trader. Like trading when the London session is opened, which is 8 a.m. 9 a.m. Nigerian time. Trading when the US session is open, which is 3 p.m. Nigerian time. These are good times if you are someone who loves volatility. These are good times you can actually profit. A good time to trade, okay, because the market is moving, it's moving very fast. So a quick one. When I said before trading, I said you should start from the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, and we will ask ourselves, okay, on the monthly time frame, what is the current market direction? Currently, the market has no direction on the monthly time frame. If you can see, very obvious to the blind. The market has no direction. The market has been consolidating. The market has been consolidating here. All right, the market has been consolidating here. Okay, and no direction, either uptrend or downtrend or whatever. Now it has only been in a consolidating format. That's on the monthly time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see what's happening. On the weekly time frame, it's still within the consolidating. It's still consolidating. However, something interesting is going on here. All right. So if you look closely, here, you will discover that price formed some form of ascending triangle here. So let's see if we can connect the dots. Okay. Good. So you can see that there was some form of momentum coming in here, where price has been moving in a very price came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up again, came down again, went up. So if you observe the movement of price, it looks like price is moving in a wave-like function, but in an ascending order. A wave-like function, but in an ascending order. Okay. When price is move from here, we can see that price is moving in a wave-like function, but ascending still. Okay. When price ascended and came here, you can see that a breakout candle occurred. Okay, look at this. A breakout candle occurred here. When a breakout candle occurred here, a bullish momentum sets in. All right, a bullish momentum set in. When a bullish momentum set in, we can see that price went so high and immediately started falling. Went up again, came down, went up again, came down to this level. All right, came down to this level here, and now it's going up. Now there's an interesting thing that we would need to observe. Okay, good. Second interesting thing that we would need to observe here, and that is the fact that price had broken out of this region. So you can see the pullback that occurred here. All right, and price created a footprint here because there's now a support level here. Okay, and a bullish momentum coming in. So what do we see here? A bullish momentum. Let's go down to the daily time frame. We would see a better picture of what is happening here. Good. So we see a better picture of what is happening here. All right. And currently, we'll discover that market has gone up, come down, gone up, come down, and here again. Okay. Observe that these two baseline is still there. The support level created, and here as well the resistance level. Okay, so looking at this market, there is no clear direction to where price is heading to at present. All right, the only thing that can be done at this moment now is to wait for price to give a clear direction outside this box. But except you want to scalp your way, all right, then you should always look out for clear directions. Okay, because if you don't look out for clear directions, the market won't spare you. Okay, you would always keep losing if you always have that mindset that you should be on every trade. You would always keep losing. All right, you will always keep losing if you have that mindset that you should be on every trade. Okay, that's it. So for those who are asking for the records, you will always find the records on our page. Okay, I want to believe that we all have learned a lot. All right, we all have learned a lot. If you want to start practicing, yes, you can start with demo. All right, however, you can also start trading with some live accounts, even if you're starting with $100, just so that, because the real learning starts when you start trading with funds. When you start trading with your money, you learn how to control your emotions. You will learn how to control yourself, when using the market. Okay, when using the market, I must tell you that you cannot control the market, but you can control yourself, and you can only learn how to do that by engaging with live trades. Okay, good. Someone said, when is the stop loss not valid? I don't understand that question. When is the stop loss not valid? So someone that should explain stop loss and take profit. So stop loss is that order that you set, instructing your broker to take you out of the market when the price has gotten to a particular level that you are comfortable with, or losing your funds. All right, because when the market does not go in your direction, you will not be making more money, you'll be losing more money. All right, so stop loss is that order that you use towards limit the amount that you are willing to lose, or the amount that you will lose. So if you are trading with a $10K account, if you set your stop loss and you are to lose $50, all right, when the market gets to that point in which you have set your stop loss to only lose $50, you would only lose $50. All right, which means stop loss is to prevent you from losing further than you can bear or that you are ready to lose. While take profit is that level that you are comfortable with exiting the market with some bags of money. All right, good. So thank you very much for joining us today. We do have this session every Thursday. All right, you are getting so much value from this. Do well to invite your friends, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, and always be here to get value, all right, while using Octa FX. Thank you very much. See you next week.